Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now with that being said, this process will also show you how you can get rid of a screen lock. So if you have one set on your device that you just don't know, this will also get rid of it. Now I do have a pattern set and I'll progress from the locked screen as though I don't know my pattern. So we're gonna number one hold our power button and select power off. And once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. This will take us to boot mode, which should be visible right about now. There we go. Once you see this mode, you can let go of both of the keys, and then using only volume up, you want to select recovery mode, which is the very first option. So just make sure that when you press volume up, the arrow just jumps straight to the top, and then you can press volume down to confirm that option. Okay, so from the recovery mode, we're gonna now use both of the volume keys to navigate up and down. And you want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Once it's selected, confirm it with power button and select Factory Data Reset. Now, once it's finished, which you can see right at the bottom, data wipe complete, you can now press power button once again to initiate a reboot, and the process will be continuing in the background. So the device will take a little bit longer to boot back up. That's completely normal. Now once the reset is finished, we will be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.